Alright guys, Anthony Distributor Service. Preston truck. We're going to do one last diag real quick before we break it down. We got a funny idle issue going on. Didn't have ICP volts. It was appeared to be in the sensor, but it could have been the wiring shorted the sensor out. Who knows? Let's get some screen set up. I'm going to see if I can replicate the see if I can pinpoint the idle issue in the engine harness. Hang on. Okay, it is 207,006 Harley Davidson. I think we are going to yank the cluster out and send it off because it keeps dropping. Cluster drops out, so we'll pull that out here in a minute. Alright, so we got left side blend door failure. Sucks. Battery voltage too high. Battery voltage too low. We did set it back to stock. We reprogrammed it, eliminated, there was a bunch of custom tunes, eliminated all of them. Holy shit, glow plug 1 and 3, circuit low, ICP circuit low, look at that, circuit low, circuit high, intermittent, that's ICP too high. You know, so what we're looking at here is, I mean, it's got to be wiring because I put a different sensor on it. So we got circuit low, circuit high, intermittent, and engine off high. So let's clear the codes out. Hang on. Okay, so right here it came back. So that tells me we've got the wires shorted out. So, oh sorry. I mean, it still has EGR codes, but it's shorted. Let's see what our voltage is. Hang on. Holy crap! 4 volts. Yeah. That ain't right. Hang on just a second. Alright, there you go. I'm messing with the wiring right here. I mean, we could probably get away with a pigtail. Who knows? But with all the broken, I mean, everything's broken. All the pigtails are broken. So, alright, oh look, it's leaking coolant right there. Hang on. Okay, so the wiring is, hang on. Alright, so what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and fire this thing up. I'm going to cycle the key again. Let's just watch this pick 'em. EBP volts are a little low, but I imagine probably barometric pressure is a little low. Barrel's reading 1411 and it's interpreting at 13.9. So, alright, here you go. Pick 'em at the bottom. Hang on. Yeah, see, we can't do anything. That's there it goes. Oh, hang on. Pick 'em power. Can't really. Yeah, it's just all over the place. So hang on. Alright, so it's defaulting right now. So what we're gonna do is go ahead and look at it, will you, Julian? This harness is pulled way too tight. The routing is wrong, so it's got it too tight. I think I'm calling that, honestly. Hold on. Alright, we unplug it, plug it back in, it goes back down to 1. About 1 volt. Plug it back in, it sits for a minute, then it goes back to 4 volts. So this is a different sensor. So if it's the sensor that's shorted out, it's because the wiring shorted it. Because this is the sensor that I put in yesterday. Where's it at? Okay, so that's good. You staying? Hang on. Alright, I mean, honestly, that's all I really wanted to know. Everything else, I mean, we're going to go through this whole thing. I'm replacing cables. That shit looks like crap. Battery cable, radiator, main engine harness, pick-em harness, putting intake, Y pipe, cam crank sensors. Go ahead and do an ICP sensor. Reseal the oil cooler, check STC fitting, standpipe, don't fly, all that crap. We'll do all that. Coolant pump, possibly fan clutch. just kind of go through it. We're gonna go ahead and maybe I'll make another video just an update on here, but I mean honestly, without us driving it and getting it up to temperature, because that's when the idle would go sporadic. But with what I'm seeing with ICP volts showing 4 volts and wiggle it around, it'll drop down to 1.1, which is still a little high, but it is a cold start. See, it's showing 4 volts right now, which that's way too much. That's, yeah, obviously. So I mean, I'm good with that. I'm willing to gamble on that. We're gonna go ahead and jump in. I mean, the harness looks like crap anyways, so go get the harness fixed, ICP sensor and all that, and just do our thing. Rip the whole thing apart and put it back together. So ticker appears to be all right. Band speeds reading. So, yep. But we are going to preemptively do cam and crank sensors too, because I mean, it just ain't worth it. Not for 200,000 miles. Get a reset on them. So, but in a perfect world, we get it warm to get the sensors out. But I'm going to go ahead and yank the compressor and yank the power steering pump. So we'll get them out. Ain't no big deal. Hell yeah! All right, guys. That's just a quick update video. We're not looking at injectors. Injectors seem to be just fine. So. Generally you can tell, and this thing starts up, it's about 70 degrees in here. So if we got to address injectors, we can do that later. We'll save some money on that and just get the big stuff done, get all the crap straightened up, get it cleaned up, get it back to where it's a good healthy truck. Alright guys, that's it. Have a good day.